Greetings. I just wanted to take a minute to show you how to update the calendar in the Brightspace course shell. So if you visit the school nurse internship calendar link and you click on this down arrow and click on change file, you will need to upload the file that I sent you via email. So the file that I sent you via email, you will need to have that downloaded and saved to your desktop or saved to your flash drive so that you can upload it. Now my computer is very slow, but I clicked the upload button here and we're just waiting for the files to appear, and then we can upload the correct file. So I saved mine to the desktop, and so I'm just going to go here, School Nurse Internship Calendar Final. I'm going to click on that, click on Open, and then click on Update. And so if you move to orientation, back to orientation and important resources, and you click on the school nurse internship calendar, the updated calendar should appear. And again, my computer moves pretty slow, so let's see. I'm not sure why it appears funny here, but it should not when you print it out, or the file I sent you. I'm not sure why it appears unusual here. I'll have to check that out. If we download it, let's see. And we open it. It does appear fine here, so I'm not certain why it's uploaded kind of funny. But try it out and see what happens, and perhaps advise students that they should print it out. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.